Hey guys, it's Kenny with Flytime RC, and we have the new FPV speed plane, currently a V-tail. Now, I think it's going to change. So here is the V-tail in its current form. This was actually 90 degrees over and then down here. And I've since modified it. I cut this off. I've actually modified it twice because the tail was about an inch taller. And then I cut it off straight, and then I tried it, and then I cut it off this angle here and tried it again to see if it would get it a little bit more stable. I was thinking maybe the tail itself had just too much surface area, and it was causing some flutter at around 90 miles an hour or so. And I still can't quite get that flutter out of the plane. So. The tail itself is really strong and stable. You can see I can pick up the whole thing from here, and it doesn't bend. It's as strong. This is double wall on the sides and on the bottom. It also has a center, like a centerpiece that goes down the middle. So it's just really strong. But the V-tail, I think, is just not holding up to the speed. Now I have this plane right here. This V-tail went over 115 miles an hour, and it held up really good. It was actually super smooth, but the V-tail is really small. It's much smaller than this one. This plane right here has gone 80 miles an hour. This is also another really small plane, 85 miles an hour, I think, and the V-tails hold up really good on that. This V-tail right here has done 70, 75. The V-tail is a little bit bigger. You can see the size difference, but it's still not too big, and it held up pretty good. This V-tail over here is quite large. It's actually probably too big for this plane. It was actually the second V-tail I ever built, second or third, and it worked out pretty good, and it was really fast, but I don't think it was that fast. I think it was more like an 80 mile an hour tops, and I never had any stability issues with it. The 90-inch V-tail, it tops out at 65 or 67, I think. Maybe I've done 70. I can't remember. And it does fine. It doesn't have stability issues. But that is still slower than this V-tail. This V-tail starts fluttering at around high 80s, low 90s. And this plane has the potential to go much faster. I took it up to 110 miles an hour today, and it could still go faster. I had to pull off the throttle really quick to slow it down because it was shaking back and forth. So I'm going to get rid of the V-tail. So that's my plan for now. I'm going to get rid of this V-tail. I'm going to put a regular T-tail. I'm probably going to do a relatively small horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer. I don't think it needs much because it's such a fast plane. You don't need big control surfaces on a really fast plane. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to cut these off. I'm going to keep the servos where they are because I think they'll be fine where they are. I'll just I'll make it work. But I'm going to do our standard T-tail, and then tomorrow we'll give it another try and see if this thing can handle the speed. I really hope it does because this plane has the potential to even maybe go 120, 130 miles an hour. It has the power for it. I do need a different battery because the 6L I have in here is only a 30C, which is really low. So my voltage dips. It drops like 3 volts at full throttle, and that's a big problem. So the battery is not really made for the high speeds. It could probably cruise at 80 miles an hour fine, but past that, I think the battery just sags too much. So that's going to be an issue I have to fix. But once I do that, this is a 8x7.3 prop. And it's a very fast prop on this motor. But I think this motor can handle an 8x8. And I think I have one. I'll have to check. But those are just a few of the things that I'm going to modify. The tail, the battery, and potentially the prop. And I think this is going to be a much faster plane. For now, though, first thing is to change up the tail. And after I change up the tail, I'm going to test it again and get it stable. That's my number one priority, is getting it stable. Once it's stable, then I'll start working on making it even faster.